My name is Brett. I am the CEO and founder of Huck Cycles. We make rad bikes for rad humans. I wanted to have a motorcycle, so I sought out avenues that would allow me to get that motorcycle experience, and I landed on e-bikes. Went back to my wife and convinced her to allow me to spend a good chunk of money to design and develop and build our own bike.
Well, in 2019, he took plywood cutout of the original Rebel chassis and he took it to fab shops. And then as he started posting it places, people started wanting it.
The challenge is that there's a lot of confusion in the market right now. What people are calling electric bikes have just exploded onto the market. But they've got pedals, they're really more bicycle. A lot of times the manufacturers are restricted as to what they can do. These bikes are unique enough that we have to design everything that fits it the way it's made. So when David designs a bike, he's making the accessories that go on it.
We're such a small company that almost all of us have our hands in the build process, fabrication process, and the design process. With quality control, we have builders that build the bikes according to spec. All the parts and pieces will go onto the bike. They program the bikes, send them out to me. I'll QC all the bikes. I'll go back through and make sure every bolt and everything is torqued correctly, make sure everything is positioned right.
One of the major benefits of having 3D scanning technology is the ability to take scans of everything that we've got in stock that may or may not be correct and compare it with the actual CAD data and therefore know if it's in spec, out of spec, how much.
Some of our aftermarket products that we use that we don't make ourselves, we don't have full models of them.
It might look like there's space there, but real world, when you're having to fit your hand in there and get tools in there, nuts and bolts, sometimes the fitment just isn't there.
One of the things that I'm most excited about the T-SCAN Huck helping us with is the validation and verification of product when it comes in. We'll receive a frame from a supplier and we have to check each and every frame for accuracy to drawings. We're now able to do a rapid scan, test that against the drawings much faster than we have been historically, so we can go through more verification and quality control with less time and energy. And it's because of tools like the 3D scanning that allow us to do that.